Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Viraj और आज I'm not a host. I am representing Chelsea. I'm a Chelsea fan. Finally, मेरी टी-शर्ट भी चेंज हो गई and I have uh, one Chelsea fan with me, Apoor. Apoor, how are you, bro?
Hey, I'm good. I'm good. How are you, Viraj?
I'm good. I'm really good. Especially when Tottenham is leading against United. Though they are our local rivals, but still feels good.
Yeah, man. But I hate both of them. So,
Yeah, I mean that's a different thing, but still, we are enjoying it. I would say that. So,
yeah,
Apoor,
man.
I would want to start with this transition phase
hmm
from Lampard to Tuchel. मतलब did we ever think as Chelsea fans कि यार एकदम से everything would change suddenly, like we were on the eighth position and now we are like doing so well. What's
So
your say
well.
on this?
Yeah, even to be very honest, I really love Lampard. I think he's the reason that I really became a Chelsea fan. So I remember him like so I first memory of Lampard I have is his goal was disallowed in the World Cup. The free kick that he scored against Germany that was disallowed, and that day I knew that I have to follow this guy. And
Hmm.
if people don't know, he has a very high IQ. I mean, I think it's the top among all the players. If you compare any player in the whole world, it's very high. It's I think in like plus 20 plus minus 20 of Einstein. It's that high.
Oh,
Like even scientists have that high IQ.
even I didn't
So
know about it, man.
yeah.
Thanks for
So
sharing
like
this.
yeah. So a few years back, they took his IQ test, and so he had to retake IQ test because people thought this is not possible for a
Oh,
footballer to have this high IQ.
yeah.
So
So
he's
you
given
said
that
that
to us. Yeah.
exactly. You said that you became a fan of Lampard, and since then you started following Chelsea. Well, I started following Chelsea back in 2011. I think that was the season when we won the Champions League, right? So Drogba, Lampard, I think these guys were simply amazing.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Ashley Cole, especially, I loved him as a
Actually,
left back. He was too
yeah.
good, man.
So
Right?
yeah. So even now, like any left back who is good, like English left back, he's always compared with Ashley Cole because he's the
Exactly.
like the best of all. Like
And I think there are some videos where Ashley Cole is saying that he used to contain Cristiano Ronaldo. That was amazing. If you haven't checked that out, I checked that out on Instagram, I guess. And there he was
oh.
writing, मैं contain कर रहा था Ronaldo को. Ronaldo used to dive here and there. When I was facing Ronaldo, he was nowhere. So
Mm-hmm.
that's a big thing, and you need to have qualities like him. It was amazing,
Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. So yeah, Viraj, coming back to your question, yes,
right?
I like personally did not want Tuchel to come to Chelsea. I mean, like I don't know. I mean, he has credentials, but he doesn't. I mean, he does not have. I thought because Premier League is very different from all the leagues. It's not some farmers league. So
Yeah.
him coming with not a very I would say not the best experience ever. So I was
Hmm.
hoping we would get somebody more experienced and who can actually compete in Premier League.
Right,
But
right.
this is quite shocking that how we are doing. Like,
Amazing. I mean, even I asked a lot of Chelsea fans regarding this Tuchel takeover. They were all unhappy. They were like, "यार Lampard को थोड़ा और time देना चाहिए था, or probably someone else should have come in." Maybe a Chelsea fan, a friend of mine, was saying Nagelsmann should have come in from
hmm,
RB Leipzig the next season. He should have stayed the season. But I think
hmm,
what Tuchel has done, it's simply
it's
amazing, यार.
simply
मतलब
amazing. Yeah.
we've become a fan of him, aren't we?
hmm Yeah, yeah. The way he talks to players, he motivates them. So you have
Exactly.
he's like a combination of Antonio Conte and Jurgen Klopp. So
Yeah.
he's very aggressive like Klopp, and he's very like the formation that he plays is very Conte like.
Even his tactics are so they are so good. They play so attacking football, right? You
Hmm,
know,
hmm.
there's such a big transition from Mourinho to Tuchel, right? Mourinho used to play defensive football, and
Yeah,
Tuchel has just come in with such great attacking football. It's
yeah,
amazing to
yeah.
see him.
And it's I'm very happy to see that he's utilizing all the youth players. So that's always a big concern. I thought Mason
Right.
Mount, Billy Gilmore, and
Exactly,
Reece
and
James,
Reece
all
James, right?
yeah, yeah, these players should lose their places, but I'm happy that they're getting their time. But I'm really worried about Tammy Abraham. But I think apart from
Yeah.
him, everybody is getting a fair chance.
Exactly.
But yeah, I mean, yeah, so we've changed the tactics and it's working well for us. But Premier League is very different from all the leagues. So this season, maybe other teams have not been able to decode how to play against us. Maybe next year will be a bigger test when people
And
have.
exactly, and there's a famous thing that Tuchel said that he wants to build a team that no one wants to play against. So we as Chelsea fans love that statement. Hope he does that.
Yeah.
Okay, then for all the viewers watching out there, thank you so much. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel. So with that said, we'll take your leave and see you next time.